Good morning. So I'm currently actually not in my car. I'm sitting in my husband's car. And I gotta say, like, my car is way cleaner. Just saying, I am just running errands. And surprisingly, I love driving his car more than mine. It's more higher up. You just see everything. Like, I used to drive an SUV actually. I upgraded to a smaller car. Can you say that? I'm loving today. I am getting a Starbucks drink right now. Caramel macchiato. Hi, how are you?
I got $4.75 for you total today.
Thank you so much.
Bye now.
Earlier I went to CVS. I got one makeup product and then I got like a melatonin liquid dropper type of thing. We haven't been sleeping too well. Maybe melatonin is gonna help a little bit. Now I'm just heading home because I got a little bit of work. I'm heading to my facial appointment. You know, I've had a long week. I just really needed my skin to be taken care of. Just a lot of fuzziness on the skin. You know, there's a little random breakout on the forehead. I don't know, it's like clogged pores. And also I got some sun damages, you know, from the trip because maybe I wasn't reapplying my sunscreen properly, so I did have a little hyperpigmentation from breaking out. Today it's so beautiful. I can't wait to start the day with this skincare treatment. My appointment is at 10 and currently it's 9:22 and I'm really not that far away from it. That's what's going on and I keep you updated after my facial. Never been here and I hope the esthetician is someone who is very knowledgeable in, you know, skincare treatment. Your girl knows a lot about skincare ingredients and I am educated in different skincare treatments, ingredients, and technique, I would say. It's kind of like a microdermabrasion type. I haven't really done anything like this for quite some years now, you know, so I'm really excited, also a little nervous, but I think it's gonna be fine. Unless I do my research, know who is working on my skin, you know, normally I don't just go to a random facial place. Anyways, I'm early, I'm just rambling right now, so I'm gonna sit in the car. I don't know if I'll be filming inside. I truly want to enjoy this experience too, so. Got the facial done. I'm loving this facial. I got a number of things done, you know, half like hydrofacial, half microdermabrasion. You know, she combined like the two treatments into one facial. I didn't really take a nap like during my facial because it was kind of just like chatting it away. She's nice, you know, she's very knowledgeable in skincare just field, you know, and we're like chatting a lot about skincare. She gave me a recommendation for sunscreen, mineral sunscreen. I'm currently wearing it. I like it. I actually do like this sunscreen that she put it on. Just is my girl, you know. I'm coming back to this facial place. A little bit extraction on the nose, you know, because blackheads and stuff. And then she get a little treatment in the middle of this breakout. A hydrofacial is much needed, you know, it's just like a detox, deep cleanse, and just, you know, make my skin feel so rejuvenated. And right now I am heading to a cafe to work on my computer. So yeah, you know, I'm very happy about this facial. She's awesome. She didn't really push any products on me, you know, it was more like, oh, what do you need? What's your concern? And I told her and she got it done, you know. So really like this girl. I would see her as my go-to esthetician, you know, for now. Mine's not even sweet. You want to try it? Here are all the seasoning for my veggie medley rice. I have cumin, some black pepper, and this one I opt out sometimes. Oregano, and the key one, I picked the highest grade of balsamic vinegar that I can find. This is from Modena, so I'll put a little bit of that into my stir veggies. to use sunscreen. Is it mineral? Okay, no, it's not mineral. Bye-bye. Okay, so I ended up getting this vegan brioche loaf. Let's see how it goes. Might be good. Some eggs. Baby cauliflower. Free-range chicken broth. Peach pie heirloom flavor. My favorite, the golden kiwi. Big mushrooms. Okay, I just went to Target, trying my very best to not get anything unnecessary. Well, most of the stuff that I got are necessary, essential stuff. But also, you know, there are a few things that are non-essential but essential to me. So let me just show you what I got in this. Get some like really practical stuff out of the way first. Obviously, I got made with recycled material. So these are the Scotch-Brite disposable toilet scrubber. Got the refills. This is ever-spraying multi-service cleaning wipes. Actually, I think I popped open when I was like checking out. It smells pretty good. It's easy to reach for and just clean it quickly, you know, clean the surface, especially like the counter space. You know, one I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be so cute in summer. Back is like the lace. It's like basic petting. Okay, so it's like crisscross back. Super cute. It's gonna be super easy to style. It's not gonna look tacky or like skimpy. I mean, unless that's what you're going for. But normally I think this one can style out, you know, with like a light jacket, like a mint color. So I got this one. I love it. I got the size small. If you're interested, make sure to check those links in the description box below. I will leave links in there. The bra is $15. I think it's a steal, you know, super cute. The lace bra. Just one of those hair cloths. Because it's summertime, it's like really hot here. Every time I have one of these. I have this one that I got from Amazon. But they're so small, like in my opinion. Like I got tons of hair. Okay, I'm not bragging, but I'm just like, it's sometimes like it's not enough to hold my hair. I can only like claw on the side. It's never like fully secured. You know, it's not really like the color that I would go for. It's kind of like a, what do you call this? My phone. So I got this one. It's like that pearlescent pink. Super cute. The hair claw is $6.99. Hydrogel mask by Neutrogena. Very basic, you know, hyaluronic acid infused hydrogel mask. I want to try it out. This mask is $3.99, which is not bad, you know, because normally I use the one from Trader Joe's. I kind of want to switch it up or just like try something new. Got that one. This is by Boots. You know, it's like the, I think it's the English brand, Serum. So what is alternative ingredient to retinol? So Bacachul, I don't know, Bacachul, not sure how it's pronounced, but it's, you know, just one of those like everyday serum. I think mainly at night, avoid direct sunlight. So yeah, I mean, if you wear it in the daytime, you have to wear sunscreen for sure. The serum is $8.99. So this is another one I'm super excited. Exfoliating powder cleanser. So I'm really excited to try this one out. It's $26.99. So I make sure to link all of these products in the description box below. So yes, I don't think I'm gonna go to Target anytime soon. It's gonna be a few months till I go to Target again. Oh, my husband back. Or two. Okay, so I just came back from my grocery shopping. July 4th weekend grocery shopping is just madness. I have to say, like at the grocery store, Americans are smarter, you know, most people are wearing masks, especially the KN95, or just, you know, like put a mask on. It's that simple. You know, obviously there's still gonna be non-maskers. I got, you know, most of the ingredients for tonight. I'm gonna make shrimp tacos once again. I will have more shrimps for just barbecue shrimps. If you have Ralph's near you, go shop at Ralph's. Also, have the Ralph's cart. You know, I bought 2 pounds of shrimps. It saved me $12.48. And if you go somewhere else, I don't think you're saving that much money. So that's just a tip. I think like produce is just so much better at other grocery stores. Like Churchill's produce sucks. Today's like really hot. I thought it's gonna cool down. My husband told me like 1st of July, you know, the weather forecast said. It is 80 degree. It's not cooling down anytime soon.
Baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too.
My husband just went into Starbucks. Starbucks has a new refresher called Pineapple Passion Fruit. Went to one Starbucks, they don't have it. Came to this one, hopefully they have it. I like his shirt. It's a nice style. What was I talking about? Went to Lowe's, pick up some potting mix. Also one orchid. So cute. Hopefully I take good care of it. Making some shrimp and veggie skewers. Yay! Okay.
Yeah, fatties.
I did my own like marinade.
Working for our food, man.
So chaser, you turn me on. Groove is your true nature, and it never gets hard enough.